Watching your baby struggle with constipation is heartbreaking, isn't it? But don't worry. In this video, I'll share 8 easy, natural remedies that not only work but are also safe for your baby. Stay with me till the end, because remedy number 7 is a hidden gem that can instantly soothe your little one. Welcome to BTH Natural Remedies, your trusted source for safe and natural solutions. Baby constipation can feel overwhelming for any parent, but today, we'll uncover simple remedies that will bring fast relief. These tips are easy to try at home, so let's get started. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, but for babies, it can keep constipation away too. Pick a fresh, organic apple and wash thoroughly. Blend it with the skin intact to retain the pectin, which is a soluble fiber. Strain to remove any solid particles, and dilute with an equal amount of water. Feed 1 to 2 ounces to babies over 6 months using a sterilized cup or spoon. Apples are rich in pectin, which helps soften stool and promotes healthy bowel movements. The skin contains essential fiber, making this remedy a gentle yet effective solution. Known as nature's laxative, prune juice is your go-to remedy for quick relief. 1. Use unsweetened prune juice or soak dried prunes in warm water and blend. 2. Dilute the juice with an equal amount of water to make it gentle on your baby's stomach. 3. Offer 1 ounce to babies above 6 months, up to twice a day. Prunes are packed with sorbitol, a natural sugar that draws water into the intestines, softening stool and easing bowel movements within 4 to 5 hours. This simple pantry ingredient might be the sweetest relief for babies over 1 year old. 1. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar, or palm sugar, into 1 tablespoon of warm water. 2. Stir until fully dissolved. 3. Administer the solution using a dropper or spoon, twice daily. Brown sugar retains molasses, which has a natural laxative effect. It gently stimulates bowel movements without harsh side effects, making it a safe option for toddlers. This versatile oil isn't just for cooking, it's a gentle remedy for tiny tummies. For babies above 6 months, mix 2 to 3 milliliters of organic coconut oil into their meals or purees. For younger infants, gently apply a small amount of coconut oil around the anal area to ease passage. Coconut oil acts as a natural lubricant and anti-inflammatory agent, making it easier for stools to pass while soothing any discomfort. Remedy 5. Tomato water. Tomatoes are not only nutritious but also a hidden hero in fighting constipation. 1. Boil a ripe tomato for 5 to 7 minutes and remove the skin. 2. Blend and strain to extract the juice, ensuring no seeds remain. 3. Give your baby 3 to 4 teaspoons daily if they are over 6 months old. Tomatoes are high in fiber and hydration, promoting smooth digestion. The heat from boiling makes the nutrients more bioavailable for gentle effectiveness. Remedy 6. Fennel water, an herbal solution trusted for centuries. Fennel seeds can do wonders for your baby's digestion. 1. Boil 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. 2. Let it cool and strain. 3. Offer 1 to 2 teaspoons to your baby 2 to 4 times daily. Depending on their age, fennel seeds contain compounds that relax intestinal muscles, reducing bloating and encouraging bowel movements. This remedy is gentle and safe for infants. Remedy 7. Warm bath with baking soda. A warm bath is not just relaxing, it can also be the secret to relieving constipation. 1. Fill a baby bathtub with warm water. 2. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda and mix until dissolved. 3. Let your baby soak for 10 to 15 minutes while gently massaging their belly. The warm water relaxes muscles, while baking soda neutralizes discomfort and promotes easier bowel movements. Remedy 8. Gentle belly massage. Sometimes, all it takes is a loving touch to ease your baby's discomfort. 1. Lay your baby on a flat, soft surface. 2. Use 2 fingers to massage their belly in a clockwise motion, starting near the navel and moving outward. 3. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes, especially after a warm bath or before bedtime. This gentle motion mimics the natural direction of the intestines, stimulating bowel movements and providing comfort. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with an important reminder: every baby is unique, and their little bodies respond differently. While these remedies are safe and natural, always consult your pediatrician if symptoms persist, or if you notice signs like blood in the stool, weight loss, or unusual discomfort. Parenting is a journey, and here at BTH Natural Remedies, we're here to support you every step of the way. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow parents, and hit that subscribe button to join our community. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on our natural solutions for your baby's health and happiness. Let us know in the comments which remedy worked best for your little one, or if you have your own secret tip to share. Together, we can create a space where parents like you feel informed, empowered, and never alone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.